Unleash your cat's inner star. A guide to viral fame. Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Ever watch a cat video and think, my cat could totally do that? You're right. Every cat has star potential. With a little know-how, your feline friend can be the next internet sensation. Get ready for likes, shares, and maybe even some brand deals. Just kidding. Unless... Lights, camera, action capturing your cat's best side. First things first, grab your phone. Cats are natural comedians. They chase lasers, attack boxes, and nap in hilarious positions. Keep your phone handy to capture these moments. Natural light is best. Find a sunny spot by the window for filming. Keep videos short and sweet. Aim for under a minute to keep those paws engaged. Don't force it. If your cat isn't feeling it, that's okay. A relaxed cat is a happy cat, and happy cats make for the best videos. Remember, patience is key. Let your cat's personality shine through. Authenticity is what makes a video go viral. Sharing is caring, spreading the cuteness on social media. Once you've got the perfect clip, it's time to share it with the world. Choose a platform like TikTok or Instagram. They are great for sharing fun, short-form videos. Use a catchy caption that grabs attention. Think puns, emojis, and relatable cat-parent humor. Don't be afraid to show your cat's quirky side. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and questions. Follow other cat accounts and join the community. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Hashcats of Instagram hash, funny cats and hashcat life are great starting points. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. From zero to hero inspiring tales of viral cats. Need some inspiration? Remember Grumpy Cat? Her perpetually grumpy face took the internet by storm. Or, how about Keyboard Cat? This musical feline became a meme legend. And who could forget Lil Bub, the adorable cat with her tongue always sticking out? These cats prove that you don't need fancy equipment or special effects to go viral. All you need is a cat with personality and a little bit of luck. So grab your phone, start filming, and get ready to share your furry friend with the world.